Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you all about research title. As we all know, many research writers often struggle to create a good title for their research. And so today I'm going to share with you on how to write a good title, as well as the do's and don'ts and what should be the content of your title. All the things that I'm going to share with you are all learned from my previous professors and mentors and from the experiences that I have gained when I was writing my own research during my master's degree. And so what are we waiting for? Shall we start? Before I share with you on how to write a good title, allow me to give credit to my former professor, Dr. Mindanilla Broto, who taught me how to write my research during my master's degree. Now, in writing a good title, it is important to note that a title should not exceed in 3 lines. It can be 1 line, 2 lines, but not more than 3 lines anymore. Then, it must be written in inverted pyramid, meaning to say, the first line should be longer than the second line. Then the second line is longer than the third line. That's how it is written. Then another is, it must be not more than 20 to 24 substantive words. When we say substantive words, these words that has meaning and definitions, excluding the prepositions, the conjunctions, and the article the. That's how we counted it. Then another is, all words must be in capital letters. Yes, it must be written in capital letters. No abbreviation, no syllabication, and no acronym is allowed. Meaning to say, we have to spell out all words in the title. Then, another guidelines is, it must be simple and direct to the point. In terms of forms and substance, it is important to note that in writing a good title, it must be written in simple and direct to the point. Your title also must be original, interesting, eye-catchy, or thought-provoking. Your title must answer the WH questions like what, who, and where, but does not answer the question when. It is because that your title should not indicate the time frame of your study. Then another thing is, avoid using a study, the word in the study like a study of, a comparative of, or an investigation of. Because it is logical naman that you're about to study on something, then therefore you don't need to repeat it again and again. No? So we have to avoid these words. Then lastly, in writing your title, it must seek a solution to a felt need problem. I hope these guidelines that I have shared with you can help you in writing your title. When I was a student, I remember that when I was starting writing a title, I write all these things. Then I put a box and see to it that if my title is following the guidelines. If does not follow, then I have to revise my title. That's how I did it. I hope you can do the same thing. Thank you and good luck to your paper.